Hi, I'm Diane Gerdes, and this is the Mortgage Answers. It's May 13th, 2011. The question is FHA out of the lending game because of increasing their monthly mortgage insurance to almost double to what it was this time last year? Well, the answer is, a little bit longer answer if I may. FHA set out the subprime frenzy in 2004 to 2007 because of what was perceived as unreasonable underwriting and appraisal requirements. Because of these requirements, the soothsayers thought that, they were going to beat the foreclosure curse. Unfortunately, their crystal ball was a little cloudy, and the foreclosures for loans that FHA has made after 2007 have been many. 40% of the down payment assistance programs, remember Nehemiah or American Marriage Dream, have gone into default. So as a result, FHA's coffers they're getting drier than the water evaporating at Lake Powell. So in order to increase their coffers and keep them healthy, they had no choice but to increase their monthly mortgage insurance. Now, the demise of FHA is a little premature. Many buyers need FHA guidelines in order to purchase a home. In other countries, for instance, China, the minimum down payment is 40%, and the interest rate is 5 to 10% over the benchmark interest rate. Yikes. But then again, their economy is hot, and everybody's employed. But let me give you 7 reasons why FHA is still in the game. 1, the gifts. Hey, you can get a gift from a family member for the 3.5% down and the closing costs. 2, lower credit scores. Today, many lenders have lowered their credit score requirements to 600, and in some cases, maybe 580. 3, you can do a non-occupant co-borrower. Hey, mom and dad can co-sign for little Joey or Susie to get into their first home. And guess what? Maybe mom and dad can qualify for Joe and Sue, much older version, to get into a home. Bankruptcies. 4, bankruptcies. The timeout to purchase a home after a bankruptcy with FHA is 2 years. Short sales. On a short sale, the timeout is if you've never been late on a short sale, or you had a home and you went into short sale, you were never late. I know that's few and far between, but they are out there. The FHA guidelines says you can immediately re-enter the housing market as long as you had a good reason. 5, foreclosure. You had a foreclosure? Well, you can re-enter the housing market in 3 years with FHA. 6, short sale. The short sales that are, that you've had that have lates, you're going to have to wait 3 years. 7, you own another home, you can purchase, that's okay. You can purchase a primary residence and still own another property, and it's as long as you can qualify for both payments. You can do that with conventional too, but you have to have 6 months PITI for both properties. I'm oversimplifying the guidelines for artistic license, but as you well know, other conditions may apply. FHA was developed in 1934 to increase the opportunity for home ownership. It stimulated construction, it reduced unemployment, and allowed individuals and families that normally couldn't afford homes to get into a home. FHA today is necessary for Arizona's housing market to stabilize. We need to embrace it and be grateful that we have it as a lending opportunity. Thanks so much.